So here it goes.
Here it goes.
I'm gonna have to step behind the door.
Yeah, be careful, because we had a guy recently who he was at least 100 yards away and he got stung in the face.
Yeah.
So. Cool. You ready to roll?
All right.
Cool.
So they have a vacuum. Originally, I thought it was a swarm that was staying there temporarily, but they think it's a hive, and they think it has some honeycomb in there. So I guess most of them aren't running away from the vacuum. Look at all those bees swarming around. Yeah, they're getting a little angry now. But that vacuum goes into a storage container, and those bees are going to get sent to a farm. Gosh. Yeah, it looks like there's a... Yeah, there's some combs in there. There's some honeycomb, I can see them. I don't know if you can see from the shadow, but that's definitely a comb. It's probably about 6 to 8 inches. It's a comb. And it does not look like it's going into the pillar, the column, which is what I was worried about. So that means less money, less damage.
You could tell that they haven't been there long because their combs are so white.
Yeah, they look white.
Yeah. Yeah. They get dirty over time just from their little feet touching them. And that's when you know you have something that's been really established, you know. There's some good looking bees too. They're friendly too.
Yeah, I heard you say they were friendly.
Yeah. They're very nice.
So how much, like what percent of the comb would you say is out?
That's all of it.
That's all of it?
Yeah.
Okay, there's just a little residual at the bottom?
No. Well, I'm about to look with the camera, though, just to make sure. Yeah, you caught it in time. Looks like it was just a swarm. They decided to make this their home.
Yeah.
And,
what would you estimate time period? How long ago do you think they started?
Probably, yeah, maybe 3 weeks.
Okay.
What would you say?
That's exactly the last time I went around and got rid of the nests that were around my house.
Wow, okay.
About 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, because it doesn't quite look like 2 weeks, and it doesn't quite look like a month, so...
Good guess.
I know what the month looks like, and I know what 2 months looks like. Oh no, it's totally, completely empty.
Alright, so this is the hive.
Mm-hmm.
And you said the queen is in there.
Yep, she's in there. If you look at an angle, you can see them, but
It looks like a custom-made box there. Like I know the vacuum fit right over that.
Yep, yeah, it's
That's
made
cool.
for that model.
Can you see them from?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Well,
you can see 'em a
yeah,
little
you can
bit
kind of see them.
crawling around.
They're all stuck to the to that one plastic board inside here. So,
And they're gonna go now to some farm or something.
yep, they go to an apiary, and from there, we feed them, take care of them,
Out in Buda or what?
and Bastrop.
In Bastrop?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't have our own apiary yet, but one day we will, hopefully.
Alright, so I have my balcony back. They've gotten rid of all the bees. Well, most of the bees. There's still a few flying around. Those are the ones that were foraging or flying around, and now they're coming back and realizing there's nothing there. But soon they will leave when they realize there's no queen or anything. But the hive is gone. There's no comb left. And that's it. Here's some of the comb that they took out. Look at that. I filled a freezer bag full of it. They said that there's not too much honey in it, but there's a lot of nectar, so I'm not sure. I guess the nectar comes first, and then the honey. But it smells really good. I'm definitely going to save these.